Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's episode we will be playing a new Minecraft game. This is not Cow City or Cow Town. This is a survival hard mode let's play on the PlayStation 3. So, let's get to creating our Fat Cat Survival hard mode survival game. So once we load into our world, we have a beautiful grassy area, and the first thing I decide to do is go and destroy. Well, I will speed up the clip of me breaking trees down, because that's mostly all I do this episode, so let me speed up the clip. So I decided it would be great to go and find some sheep, because we are in hard mode, and I do not want to be dying on the first episode. So I went to find some sheep, and this area was blank. There was no animals here, and until the weirdest thing happened. Just watch. I turned around and there were tons of animals. I do not know what happened, but it happened. I had some hard time destroying this pig. It took a long time, so I decided it would be great if I could make a wooden sword or some wooden tools. So yep, I made a crafting table. I forgot about this old crafting method. It's simple though. So I heard a sheep and it was just spinning around. I don't understand why it was just spinning around, but then it jumped off. Yeah, but I don't need black wool, I need white wool, and there was another spinning sheep. So I decided to kill it, because that's what any sensible person would do. The horse really didn't deserve that. We are now going back to breaking trees. Yeah, tutorials were really annoying, because when you pressed X and you didn't know a tutorial was there, and you wanted to jump, yeah, it was really annoying. So at this point I really just wanted to find some sheep, so I could make a bed, I could feel safe. And I jumped into a random hole not knowing it was there. I couldn't find any sheep, but the horse was still there. planning on needing a lot of wood for my house. I'm planning on building it on top of a mountain as well. No, I did not kill that chicken on purpose. Well, I did kill it on purpose. I need the food for later on in the game. Same with these pigs and another chicken. Over this hill, I hope there'll be loads of sheep. And I missed a completely obvious sheep. I'm so annoyed. So, the hunt for the sheep continues. I just can't find any. I don't understand why there's no sheep. But what I did find a lot of was wolves. There was so many. I don't have any bones though, so I can't actually tame any of them. I spotted so many. I don't understand why there is so many wolves but not so many sheep. Okay, let's see if I can find any sheep around this corner. The first dinner I chose to have in the series was an apple. Really? So, we found our second sheep. This will be useful for the bed, because, well, you need a bed. Otherwise I'm gonna get swarmed by zombies and I'm gonna get killed. Okay, how lucky was that? I spotted another sheep. Now I can create a bed without having to worry about creating a bed. So, it was about time we started digging out our house area. I decided to pick this mountain, so I started digging. Let me speed up the clip for you. By now, it was time to have our first sleep in Minecraft, in our hard mode PlayStation 3 series. So I picked to sleep right at the top of the mountain and go to sleep. Day 2, let's get to work on the house. Once I had completed digging out the area, I decided to fill in the uneven bits with dirt. So, as of what I can see, I had completed the frame, the base, the structure. But no, I left a tiny bit. So as of now, I am just building the structure. Casually, I'm just building the structure casually. Nothing can stop me now, except for falling off a cliff. At this point, I knew I wasn't going to have enough wood to complete this entire thing. So, by now you can probably see the frame I'm going for. The standard wooden frame filled in with planks. I have decided to go for cobblestone floors. At this point, I had already run out of wood, which is surprising because I collected a lot of wood earlier. So instead of collecting more wood, I went to place the wood on my house. I still knew it wasn't going to be enough, but I thought it would complete at least 2 sides. I used dirt to pile up with. It's kind of effective. Once again, I had run out of wood, so I went to go fetch some more. I can't be the only one that hates it when your wooden axe breaks. It's so annoying. So I got straight to work building the house frame again. I had finally noticed my mistake. It was really irritating. I knew I would have to go and collect even more wood. The frame was almost complete. All I had to do now was go and collect just a tad more wood. Minecraft's physics are great. If you mine wood with a pork chop, it's significantly faster than mining it with your fist, which would still be strange. So that's about all I have time for in today's episode. Thank you all for watching this video. I will see you again shortly on Fat Cat Gaming. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye! Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Merry Christmas. Goodbye.